Choosing your first mala, or your next one, can feel overwhelming with so many beautiful options. But the right mala will feel just right, like it was always meant to find you. In this video, we'll help you figure out which kind of mala beads are best for you. Mala beads have been used for centuries in spiritual practices like meditation, prayer, and intention setting. Traditionally, a mala has 108 beads, and each bead is counted with a mantra or breath. Ask yourself, why do you want a mala? Is it for meditation, healing, focus, grounding, or simply as a reminder of your spiritual path? Your intention will guide the material, color, and energy of your beads. Each bead material holds unique energy. Here are a few examples. Rudraksha, traditional and sacred in Hinduism, used for calming the nervous system. Sandalwood, gentle, soothing scent, often used for peace and spiritual awareness. Rose quartz, love, compassion, and emotional healing. Amethyst, intuition and protection. Lava stone, grounding and perfect for adding essential oils. Tiger's eye, confidence and inner strength. Color also plays a role. Each chakra has a corresponding color: red for root, orange for sacral yellow, for solar plexus, green for heart blue, for throat, indigo for third eye violet, or white for crown. Choose a mala that supports the energy center you feel drawn to or want to balance. Sometimes it's not about logic, it's about feeling. Hold the mala in your hands. How does it feel? Heavy or light? Warm or cool? Trust your intuition. Once you've chosen your mala, use it with intention. Meditate, breathe, or recite mantras. Let it become a tool for connection within and beyond. Your mala isn't just an accessory, it's a spiritual companion. Choose one that aligns with your energy, your journey, and your heart. Which mala are you drawn to right now? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mindful living tips.